think I just found the problem. If you look at the wrapping that they use for the insulation on this, it's pretty much clear all the way up until this point, and then it starts to get really dark. So I'm thinking maybe somebody did like a patch job on this and didn't do it properly, or just broke loose over time. But the connection is getting lost between here and here, and this is where they kind of had their patchwork done. So I don't know if this was where'd it go? I don't know if this is what they use for heat shrink tubing or whatnot, but that was around the patch. And I'm going to open this up a little bit more and see if I can't figure out if there's actually a break or if it's just the wires spliced. I don't see anything. Try to make a test point. Okay, it's dead. That's weird. I guess the wire must have just melted. That's the break. Great, I really didn't want to have to do that.